Hey guys, welcome to Under the Sun, where we talk about everything that is happening under the sun. Today, we are going to discuss why Stephen Hawking thought it was a necessity that the humanity find exoplanets similar to Earth at the earliest.
Day risks annihilation. It could be an asteroid hitting the Earth. It could be a new virus, climate change, nuclear war, artificial intelligence gone rogue. We can, and must, use our curiosity and intelligence to look to the stars. We must do it now before humanity is overtaken by some disaster that we can neither anticipate nor control.
Scientists have been on a never-ending search for habitable planets like Earth since decades. The Earth Similarity Index, ESI, is a proposed characterization of how similar a planetary mass object or natural satellite is to Earth. It's designed to be a scale from 0 to 1, with Earth having a value of 1. This is meant to simplify planet comparison from large databases. Although the ESI doesn't characterize habitability, given the point of reference of Earth, some of its functions match those used by habitability measures. As the definition of habitability zone or Goldilocks zone, it's the outer area around the sun where it is not too hot and not too cold for liquid water to exist on the surface of the surrounding planets. Imagine if Earth was where the Pluto is. The sun would barely be visible, about the size of a pea, and Earth's ocean and much of its atmosphere would freeze. On the other hand, if Earth took Mercury's place, it would be too close to the sun, and its water would form a steam atmosphere quickly boiling off. The distance Earth orbits the sun is just right for water to remain liquid. This distance from sun is habitable zone. Rocky exoplanets found in such habitable zones of their stars are more likely targets of detecting liquid water on the surface. Why is liquid water so important? Life on Earth started in water, and water is a necessary ingredient for life as we know it. Earth is the reference point because we are 100% sure that this planet sustains life. In our cosmic searches to find aliens or even a second home, our best bet would be to find similar to one already existing. Few years of industrialization, humans have made some irreparable, dangerous damages to Earth that it's not entirely overreaching to think that in few years, decades or millennia, we will have to leave the planet we now call home. One problem with ESI is that Earth-like doesn't necessarily equate habitability, as it's possible to find exoplanets that are much more habitable than Earth, but ironically wouldn't be Earth-like. The Kepler Space Telescope was launched by NASA in March 2009 to discover Earth-sized planets orbiting other stars. After 9.5 years, it retired on October 2018 when fully depleted of its fuel. It is designed to survey a portion of Earth's region of Milky Way to discover exoplanets in habitable zones. Kepler observed 530,000 stars and detected around 2,662 planets. One such planet is Kepler 38 in the constellation Lyra. Discovered in 2018 as a Neptune-sized planet transitioning in a habitable zone of a star like ours and another star smaller that orbits around it. It is around 3,970 light years away. It is likely that additional planets in the habitable zone exist, including rocky terrestrial planets, according to the simulation of formation of Kepler 38 system. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Under the Sun.